Okay, now let's move to Scorpio. So this is timeless reading for our Scorpio. This is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Only takes what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Ano ang main card ni Scorpio? You have fake, busy, and cope. No? Dalawa yung lumabas, no? Fake, busy, and cope. Cope, which is, no? Addiction. Kita mo yan? Drinking too much. No? Fake, busy. Or kung hindi ka man umiinom, malamang, no? Meron kang nalulunod ka to something. Something in your situation. No? But we will clarify this card for you, Scorpio. Hang on. Let me fix my table. Para maganda ang labas ng card ng ating mga Scorpio. Alright, so let's see kung ano mga energy ang lalabas sa'yo, Scorpio. Once again, only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't. For Scorpio. This reading is for Scorpio. You have 7 of Swords. You have the Magician. You have the Hierophant. Wow. You have the 4 of Wands. Wow. Okay. I see. Alright. Si 7 of Swords is about secrecy. May sikreto na dapat ilabas. Merong sneakiness, trickiness, no? Kikita mo yan? Merong ginawa. Ano ito, Scorpio? Ika-clarify natin yan mamaya. And you have the Magician. No? Nagmamanifest ka with something. No? Titignan pa rin natin yan mamaya. This is about connection and manifestation. No? And you have the Hierophant. Nagmamanifest ka nga. No? Si Hierophant is about religion, no? Tradition and social group. Kung ano ba yung nangyari sa group na yon. Titignan natin yan. And you have the 4 of Wands. Looks like, no? Maganda tong 4 of Wands na to. This is about celebration and harmony. So, makikipag-connecta ka when it comes to love. Sa iyong love and relationship, makikipag-connecta ka. Dahil maganda ang iyong love and siguro, ang mga Scorpio kasi, hindi yan mahilig let me say, yung madali ang conversation. Ayaw nila yun. So, siguro ito na yung time para mag-deep connect ka, no, sa iyong love. Alright, let's start to clarify this card for our Scorpio. Para i-clarify natin yung iyong fake, busy, and cope. One more shuffle here, thank you. One more shuffle here. Okay, 7 of Swords. You have the Hangman, walang pakailam, the 9 of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, no, wala kang pakailam energy to. Walang pakailam energy. Bahala kayo dyan energy. Basta focus ako. Now you have the Hangman, and also you have the 9 of Cups. No, comfort ka. Mas comfort ka na mas focus ka sa sarili mo at wala kang pakailam. Gusto mo ng stability, gusto mo ng satisfaction. No? Pero hindi mo yan makuha-kuha. Dahil, no? Wala kang pakailam. You only have 9 of Cups, hindi to 10, hindi to Queen, hindi to Page, hindi to King, no? You only have 9 of Cups. And you have the Ace of Wands, no? Siguro kailangan mo ng breakthrough. No? Kailangan mo ng breakthrough, Scorpio. Wala kang pakialam, basta you're keeping yourself busy, you're just doing what you want to do, no? No, nakikita ko rin dito, bago ka mag-react, no? Mas maganda huminga ka muna ng malalim, no? Kasi you are actually sa mga situation na nangyari sa'yo or mangyayari sa'yo, no? You're putting it to the wrong thing. No? And then, ito yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng parang nagbibigay sa'yo ng parang na exhaustion, no? Nagpapa-burnout sa'yo. So, dinadala mo to sa hindi magandang bagay. Imbis na resolbahan mo, no? So, maganda ditong advice is mag-meditate ka, no? Kapag may mabigat kang nararamdaman. Okay, let me clarify the Magician for Scorpio. The Magician for Scorpio, please. The Magician for Scorpio, please. Okay, you have the Three of Pentacles, Reconciliation, Nine of Swords, the Strange, no? Ay, ito pala, meron kang Ten of Pentacles dito. Isama na natin ito. Ito yung unang lumabas eh. So, dito kay the Magician is nagmamanifest ka ng wealth mo, ng success mo sa buhay, no? Pero dahil nga kay Nine, ito rin, kay Strange din, no? Kay Strange din, no? Nagmamanifest ka inner, nung gusto mo ng balance, gusto mo ng power, gusto mo ng wealth, gusto mo ng success, no? Kaya lang, meron ka ditong Nine of Swords. Si Nine of Swords is about anxiety, nightmare, no? And, also despair. So, meron kang dinadala sa iyong inner, no? Sa iyong inner, ito yung nagpapastop sa iyo ng something, no? And you just making yourself busy, no? Busy. Are you? No? This is your energy, anyway. Alright? And you have the Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles about teamwork, encouragement. This is also reconnect. No, reconnect din sa mga tao. Okay, nice. Sa ngayon, maganda pa naman. Let's see. The Hierophant. The Judgment. The Four of Pentacles. The Knight of Swords. Kailangan mong aksyonan daw. Kung ano man yung nasa loob mo, yung tinatago mo, yung secret mo, na meron ka, dahil nga meron ka rito kanina, na Seven of Swords, no? Kung ano man tong tinatago na to, kung ano man yung nagawa mo, no? Kailangan mo makipag-reconnect, no? Kailangan mo magbago, kailangan mo dahil ito sa situation na to is nagkaroon ka ng material possession, Scorpio. At kailangan mo daw aksyonan to para mawala na yung bigat na nararamdaman mo, no? Bilang isang sign of death and rebirth, which is you, Scorpio, no? Ang kagaluhan na lumabas o lumulutang upang, let me say na, upang linisin sa iyong present o kasalukuyan, no? Kailangan mong ilabas yung mga dapat ilabas. Kasi kung hindi mo yan ilalabas, mas mahihirapan ka at ang universe na ang magpupush siya yung ilabas mo. Pinipigilan mo eh. Pinipigilan mo siya, Scorpio. Like, to be honest with you, ito yung energy na nakikita ko dito. Pinipigilan mo siya. May security. No? Kailangan mo mag-heal. Dahil being a death and rebirth sign, no? May maaari talagang lumabas na katotohanan na mas mabuti ikaw mismo ang humarap. Advice dito, magpakatotoo siguro, no? Okay, let me clarify the Four of Wands. Love ba to? Ano to? Let me see. King of Swords. Authority, logic, calmness, clear thinking, no? Temperance, patient and balance. So, hindi ko alam kung saan nag-stop yung video, but yes, mabigat ang dinadala mo, no? Sinusubukan mo lang magbisi-bisihan, no? Ayan, may mga addiction dito. Addiction, sobrang inom, o sobrang pagdadala ng emosyon mo, mga nangyari, no? Na hindi mo mapatawad yung isang tao, hindi mo mapatawad yung sarili mo, bakit nagawa mo yun, no? Scorpio. Tignan naman natin kung anong energy ang, bakit nagkaganito ka, Scorpio. Let me see. Magaling ka naman sa death and rebirth, eh. The Justice. The King of Swords, no? Etong tao na to, gusto ng justice. No? Gusto ng justice. Scorpio. And authority. No? Etong tao na to, hindi man tong ex, malamang mga kaibigan mo sa social media, kaibigan mo sa totoong buhay, or kapatid mo, siblings mo, but this person needs a justice. And merong authority. Pag pinagsama mo tong dalawang ito, Scorpio, no? This is about court. I don't know what happened, but merong lumalabas na court dito, Scorpio. No? You are going to deal with a court. Yun yung lumalabas sa card, guys. No? Yun ang lumalabas. Pero tignan natin kung energy mo to or energy ng iba. Diba? Kailangan natin i-clarify to para mas mapanatag ang loob nyo. Is this the Scorpio's energy? Yes. Yes. No? Libra card, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Chakra heart. Oh, authority nga. Authority. Integrity. Morality. No? Seriousness. Kailangan mo daw maging serious dito. No? This is about, si justice kasi is about karma. Karma, justice, consequences, accountability, law, truth, integrity, and cause of effect. Negotiable. Diplomacy. Yan, nasabi ko na lahat. No? Because this is a timeless reading po. No, kahit meron na nakalagay ditong date, but this is a timeless reading. Only takes what resonate with you and leave what doesn't. Alright, let me clarify the justice. 3 of Swords. Grief. No, struggle. 10 of Swords. Puro swords. Oh my Lord. Release. Kailangan mag-release. Because of the backstabbing. Endings. Ace of Pentacles, kailangan ng new beginning, no? Ay, ay, ay. New beginning para mag-move forward. Guys, look. Sa mga Scorpio, tignan nyo yung, I think, meron parang ano dito connection kay Scorpio, kay Capricorn and Sagittarius. I-check nyo na lang pag na-upload ko. I-check nyo. Parang parehas kayo. May connection eh. Okay, let me clarify the swords. The King of Swords. Puro swords, baby. 6 of Cups. Pasto. 8 of Wands. 4 of Cups. Ooh. Contemptation. Ay, maaaring mag-travel, no? Maaari ka mag-travel. Speed, mabilis itong magaganap. This is about past because of kay 6 of Cups. Nangyari na to. Hindi ito mangyayari ngayon, pero nangyari na to. Kaya ka siguro ganito, Scorpio. Naka-reverse. Lumabas si 3 of Wands. Obstacle, struggle, lack of foresight. Oh my goodness, Scorpio. No? Let me give you a manifesting card. Kailangan mo daw itong harapin, Scorpio, no? With your authenticity. No, kung ano man ito. Kung ito ba ay makaka-resonate sa inyo at nakaka-resonate sa inyo, kailangan nyo itong harapin, no? With your full authenticity. Harapin mo. Huwag mo daw tatakbuhan. Yan ang advice. So you have letting go. Okay? I release my worries into divine hands and welcome inner peace. Trusting that all is aligned for my highest good. I know angels are guiding me through any challenges. Letting go open the path to something even greater. No? Manifest mo to. Letting go. Letting go Not ibig sabihin na wala kang pakialam, no? Dahil, karma to eh. Ayan, no? Double confirmation, Scorpio. King of Swords and Justice. Kahit kaninong tarot readers nyo tanungin, pag itong lumabas, ano ba ibig sabihin nito? No? Pag yan. King of Swords and Justice. Nakita nyo, sinapol ko. Nakita nyo. But, yeah. To be able to move forward at mawala yung bigat ng nararamdaman mo, makipag-reconciliation ka, makipag-reconciliate ka, makipag-connect ka, no? Scorpio, at ayusin itong kung ano man ito. Ikaw dapat ang aayos nito, hindi ibang tao. Okay? So, good luck, and that's your reading, Scorpio. I hope naka-resonate, and I hope hindi din. And see you in my next one.